understanding the phrase, kick up a fuss. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and commonly used English phrase, kick up a fuss. This expression might sound a bit peculiar, but it's quite popular in everyday English conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what it means but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations. So, let's get started. Kick up a fuss is an idiomatic expression in English. To kick up a fuss means to make a loud complaint or to show strong objection about something. This phrase is often used when someone is expressing their dissatisfaction in a very noticeable or disruptive way. It implies that the person is not just complaining quietly or privately, but is making their unhappiness known to many people, sometimes causing a disturbance. The origin of kick up a fuss is quite interesting. It combines the action word, kick, which suggests a sudden or forceful movement, with fuss, a word that means excessive or unnecessary excitement or activity. This combination creates an image of someone causing a commotion or disturbance, similar to how kicking something might disrupt its surroundings. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. The customers kicked up a fuss when they found out their favorite item was no longer available. 2. He's likely to kick up a fuss if we arrive late. 3. Despite kicking up a fuss, they did not get the refund they demanded. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, from customer service issues to personal disagreements. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for kick up a fuss: make a scene, raise a ruckus, cause a stir, create a commotion. Each of these phrases can be used in similar contexts but might carry slightly different connotations or levels of formality. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident using the phrase, kick up a fuss, in your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to enrich your language skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.